There's a fairly easy way of getting rid of stains on any type of stone. Depending on the stain, if it's an oil stain, you kind of want to use a different process. But with this type of stain, I call these organic stains, you're going to want to use just your handy dandy baking soda, and then also a clear developer, and this you can find at any of your hairdressing supply stores. When the stain is pretty close to the edge like we have over here, I like to put some tape over here just to kind of create a little bit of a barrier. You want to mix it to where it's kind of not too liquidy. Alright, this is kind of where you want to get it. Alright. There you go. As you can see, as I bring the camera around here, you'll see how that is running off the side there. That's not a problem because there is a bit of a stain there. And again, the tape will kind of hold it back a little bit. You can see how I did a double tape. So, you know, as long as not too much of the liquid goes down there, you should be fine. I just put the plastic over that. The plastic is just to really keep the poultice moist for a longer period of time. Otherwise it's going to dry out in about 24-48 hours. It should be completely dry. And from experience I've realized that if I keep it moist, especially in cases like this, that these stains have probably been here for quite a while, it just helps to really break down the stain a little bit faster. Alright, so it's been about a week since we put these down, and as you can see, kind of just dries up. The stone is still a little bit wet, and that obviously happens because of the moisture that gets trapped with the plastic covering. But you can see it's a little dark, but you can see that the stains, the yellowish or orangish stains have gone. And let's remove this side as well, and it looks like this is gone as well. So we're going to clean this all up. So before I start resurfacing this vanity top, I just wanted to show you all the etches. Obviously you can see that ring over there, very clear. Don't forget, etches can only be seen when you're angling a light on a marble top, okay? So normally if you look directly over, you will never see an edge unless you're angling light. If it's a dark marble, like a black marble, then, or a very dark marble, then you will be able to see the edges because they turn gray. There's a bunch more here. Okay, so all these edges right here. There was another ring somewhere here, a huge ring. See right here, everything is nice and smooth, completely refinished, no etches, no marks, no nothing. It's almost like a brand new stone. All right, and that is the beauty of natural stone. You can refinish it as long as you know what you're doing. You've got the right machinery. So I've had some people ask me, some clients ask me, what if we get the sealer, and this is the stain blocker specifically, on the faucets or anything like that? And it's very easy. Basically, you just get your paper towel and it buffs right off. It actually polishes, pretty much polishes, and also does a little bit of protection on the, the chrome or whatever. After the sealer, the final buff, and all the work that goes into getting this surface refinished. As you can see, all the edges are gone, everything's gone. Surface looks like it just came out of the factory. and looks absolutely beautiful.